What's going on, guys? Back today with my Eflite V900. Finally gonna get a flight on camera for you. I think I got 6 flights on. This will be the 7th flight. I love the way it flies. Any problems I'm having is landing back here. I just ain't got the space, and I gotta slam it down hard sometimes, and it's damaging the bottom a little bit, just the wings, and then I ended up cracking it here from slamming it down too hard, because if I don't want to let it go back in the trees, or rather just slam it down hard on its belly rather than fly back in the trees. But besides that, I'm absolutely loving the way this flies. So get a flight. I'm running my sponsor, Scorpion Power. This is the 2350 3S pack 75C. So awesome packs, and should be plenty of room in here for this pack. I think I have ran this pack before, actually. I usually run the 2200, but this is the 2350 I'm running right now. So let's get to it. Right, like I said, this canopy, I said in my other video, the canopy sticks up just a tad on the side there. I guess the pack's sticking up a little bit, just a tad. So I'll put a little piece of tape on here just in case it wants to release, because this sucker's powerful. All right, we're good. Oh yeah, we're ready, guys. A little breezy, not too bad. So I'm not sure which way the wind's blowing, actually. I think it's blowing that way. There we go. It wants to torque to the left usually, so you got to pop it right to the right. Look at this. Here it comes. Insane. It goes straight up for forever. Sounds so cool. Love it. It flies beautiful, guys. Look at that. 3S. Full throttle. Full throttle. Straight up. It sounds so damn cool. Alright, let's slow it down. I'm at half throttle. It slows down nice, actually. Slows down pretty nice. That's half throttle. Look. Slows down pretty darn good. Airplane, let's go see him. I bet you I could reach that airplane no problem. I guarantee you I could hit that airplane with this bullet. Guarantee it. Tell me this thing ain't fucking badass. Love it. Look at the rolls on that. Insane. Woo! Let's bring it in. Let's bring it in fast and low. I love this airplane. Oh. Alright, I'm going to bring it for a landing. That's the only thing, you don't get much flight time on this. 3.5 minutes. But I pretty much gunned it the whole time, so. And this is the hard part for me, landing. Because it's so fast. So I'm going to come back this way a little bit. Then I'm going to cut the throttle way out and let it glide in. Here it comes. Actually, this one's coming in nice this time. Wow, that was actually the best landing I've had. The best landing I've had so far. Actually, I cut that throttle way early that time. Maybe that's the key. It still stays pretty stable. I cut the throttle before I even turned left out there. Cut the throttle completely and just left it drift and glide right in. Perfect. Love this airplane. The beautiful thing about it is if you break something, it's a cheap airplane. You're probably better off just buying a whole new one for $150. Can't say enough about it, guys. I haven't broke a prop yet either, surprisingly, but they're pretty cheap. They're only like $250. Here, the AS3X working. I don't use safe, just the AS3X. Can't say enough good about this airplane. The only negative I got about it is so far is my landing, and that's not the airplane's fault. Yeah, besides that, I haven't ran 4S on it, but 3S is running beautiful. So, love it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that flight. Till next time, the RC Element out.